a single drop of ink, revealing the end. My hands began to shake, not for fear nor heart unwilling. Following His will, there's no other way. Like my breath was escaping, and I could not draw it in. Like tears steadily falling, and not knowing how they began. Lead me through your unscripted moments, where free will cannot abide. Help me die to myself when I cling to this life. When my flesh longs to write its own storyline. Lead me through your unscripted moments. What lay ahead in our future, if only we believed. The apostles woke Him up in the middle of the storm. If they only had the faith, what would have been waiting